English Bulgarian. I went.
Аз отидох.
Past of, go, fast and fun. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey friend, this episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your brain's new gym for languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies. Today you'll nail the past of go in Bulgarian, short, sweet, and hilarious. By the end, you'll say, I went, like a pro.
Аз отидох.
Let's move. Your goal today. You'll learn 7 must-know forms plus 1 handy present habit verb. Ready? Your mission. Say I went, he went, she went, it went, we went, you, plural, went, they went, and the present habit, go. You'll hear them, repeat them, and use them in mini-scenes. High five in advance. Fast forms. Go and went. Repeat after me. Keep it snappy, I'll add little pauses. I went equals.
Аз отидох.
He went equals.
Той отиде.
She went equals.
Тя отиде.
It went, the event went, equals.
То мина.
We went equals.
Ние отидохме.
You went, plural, equals.
Отидохте.
They went equals.
Те отидоха.
Go, habit, regularly, equals.
Ходя.
Mini dialogues. Now let's play tiny scenes. You speak the English, I give the Bulgarian line. You, I went to the store.
Аз отидох до магазина.
Narrator, he went home.
Той отиде от дома.
You, she went inside.
Тя отиде вътре.
Friend, the meeting? It went well.
Срещата. То мина добре.
You, we went together.
Ние отидохме заедно.
Guide to a group. You went straight to the bus.
Отидохте директно до автобуса.
After the party, they went for pizza.
Те отидоха за пица.
Beat drills. Clap or tap your desk, then speak on the beat. Humor allowed. Clap. Say, I went.
Аз отидох.
Clap. Clap. Say, he went.
Той отиде.
Clap. Clap. Say, she went.
Тя отиде.
Clap. Clap. Say, it went well.
То мина добре.
Clap. Clap. Say, we went.
Ние отидохме.
Clap. Clap. Say, you went, plural.
Отидохте.
Clap. Clap. Say, they went.
Те отидоха.
Clap. Bonus groove. I go, habit.
Ходя.
Victory wiggle. Culture tip. 2 flavors of go. Quick nuance so you sound extra natural. Bulgarian has different ways to say go. For a completed trip, use forms of
Отида.
in the past, like
Аз отидох.
or.
Той отиде.
For habits like I go to the gym on Mondays, use.
Ходя.
So, yesterday we went equals.
Ние отидохме.
But I go every Monday equals.
Ходя всеки понеделник.
Quick quiz. Answer out loud. No one can hear you except your plants. Q1. Say, they went. A.
Те отидоха.
Q2. Which means, it went, the event. A.
То мина.
Q3. Turn, you went, plural, into Bulgarian. A.
Отидохте.
Q4. He went, is. A.
Той отиде.
Q5. Habit, go, present, A.
Ходя.
Funny scene. The time travel errand. Let's stitch them into a tiny story. Repeat the Bulgarian lines. You sigh. I went to the shop twice.
Аз отидох до магазина 2 пъти.
Meanwhile, he went home without milk.
Той отиде у дома без мляко.
She went back in time to fix it.
Тя отиде обратно във времето, за да го оправи.
Good news, it went perfectly.
То мина перфектно.
We went for pizza to celebrate.
Ние отидохме за пица, за да отпразнуваме.
Teacher voice to the group. You went above and beyond.
Отидохте отвъд очакванията.
Credits roll. They went home happy.
Те отидоха у дома щастливи.
30-second challenge. Time to flex your new superpower. Say 3 sentences about yesterday using
Аз отидох. Ние отидохме.
and.
Те отидоха.
Now add one, it went, line.
То мина добре.
Finish with a habit line using go.
Ходя.
E.g., I go every Monday. Wrap up. You did great, seriously. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing. I went, you went, we went, and friends.
Аз отидох. Отидохте. Ние отидохме.
Plus.
То мина.
And the habit.
Ходя.
This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Swing by www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and laughs. Do scoro.
До скоро.